Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin Fenix 3 to an iPhone. First, make sure your Fenix 3 is fully charged and powered on. Next, download the Garmin Connect mobile application from your iPhone's App Store. This free app is essential for managing your device. Finally, navigate to your iPhone settings and ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing process, setting the foundation for your device connection. Now, let's initiate the pairing. Open the Garmin Connect mobile app on your iPhone. From the main menu, select Garmin Devices and then tap Add Device. You'll see a list of Garmin products. Choose Fenix 3. Simultaneously, on your Fenix 3 watch, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select Pair Mobile Device. This action makes your watch discoverable, allowing your iPhone to find it and begin the connection sequence. To finalize the connection, a 6-digit passkey will appear on your Fenix 3's screen. Carefully enter this exact number into the prompt within the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone. After entering the passkey, confirm the pairing request on both devices. Your iPhone will ask for confirmation, and you'll need to accept on your Fenix 3 as well. Once confirmed, the app will begin its initial synchronization, transferring your data and settings. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try restarting both your iPhone and your Fenix 3. Also, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are actively connected to your iPhone, as this can sometimes interfere. Keep your Fenix 3 and iPhone within a few feet of each other during the entire pairing process for a strong signal. Finally, always keep your Garmin Connect app and Fenix 3's firmware updated for the best performance and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.